Palagi nating narinig yung multiple income streams para daw lumaki yung income natin. Kinakailangan mag-create tayo ng multiple income streams. Totoo yon in some cases where, let's say you're an employee, you create multiple income streams by investing your savings, etc. No? Pwede yon. Pero hindi sa lahat ng bagay pwede yon, especially sa business. Kasi you cannot be a master in everything. Kasi kinakailangan unti-unti. Maging master ka sa isang bagay. Kilala ka doon. Pag kilala ka ng customers doon, then you'll be very strong. Yung brand mo kilala, you'll be very strong in that market. At yun ang magiging platform mo to create the next income stream. Yun yung tinatawag na diversification. So, hindi ka naman makaka-diversify kung hindi strong yung una mong platform. So, huwag ka muna mag-isip ng multiplication of income streams in business kasi pagka-business, kinakailangan makilala ka muna sa isang produkto or isang service. Maging strong ka muna doon. Then, after you have a sustainable cash flow doon, nakita mo, nasagad yung market mo, then you can create new product, you can create new services, nakakabit ng produkto, kabit-kabit na siya. Mas madali na siya kasi meron ka ng strength, meron ka ng core competence na tinatawag. Doon ka magsimula sa core competence. Build your core competence.